Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. This is Vanshwats and you're watching Etymology Point. So in this video we are gonna start a new part for chapter 6 class 5th maths, learning maths. So in which we are gonna study divisibility rules in this part today. So let's start the video without any further ado. Now, let's start reading the topic of divisibility rules. We can find out whether a number is divisible by another number by some basic rules of divisibility, even without actually dividing the number. So, here it is said that we can also find if a number is divisible by a number, like it is a long number. So, without dividing, also we can get to know that what is the divisible, what is the number that can exactly divide the large number. Okay, so let's start from the divisibility rule. Like number 2, divisibility test. If the unit digit is 0 2 4 6 8, so the unit digit should be from should be 0 2 4 6 or 8, which are the even numbers. So as you see even numbers at the last, so you can get to know that this is a number that can be divided by 2 very easily. It is also the smallest number that can divide any even number. Now let's check for that. Like for here we can write 2 4 6 1 8. Isn't it a large number? So for knowing that from which number can it be divided, which is the least number that by which it can be divided, for knowing that we will see the large digit. So it is divisible by 2 because 2 0 2 4 6 and 8 are the numbers at the unit place by which we can get to know that these numbers can be divided by 2. Okay, so it can be divided by 2. So this was for 2. Now let's come for 3. So in the divisibility test of 3 we will read that if the sum of all the digits is divisible by 3, for example 5 6 5 and 6 11 and 1 561. So for knowing that is it divisible by 3, so we will add all the three numbers. So 5 plus 6 11 and 12. So 12 comes in the table of 3, so it is divisible by 3. Now let's check for 4. चलो 4 का देखते हैं. तो if the number formed by the last two, the units and the tens digit is divisible by 4. So what is a unit digit? Unit digit is the last digit of any kind of number like 24. So 4 is the unit digit in this number. Okay, so in 4 we can take an example like 5 no 6 7 2 4. So we will check the new unit digit and tens digit and we will form a number that's 24, and we will check that is 24 divisible by 4. So 4 5 is 20, 4 6 is 24. So yes, this number is divisible by 4. We can get to know that by this rule. Now let's come for 5. So it is very simple that at the last the number should be 5 or 0. Okay, so 6 7 5 0 is a is can be easily divided by 5, or it also could be 6 7 5 5. At the last 5 can be also there and 0 can also be there. Let's check for 6. So in 6 you have to see the last digit of the number that it is divisible by 4 and sorry, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, not only the last digits, the whole number you have to look for. Okay, so it should be indivisible even by 4 and 2 and 3. Okay, so it can be divided by 6. Take an example for 6 6 2 4. It is also divisible by 3 and 2, because we can do the sums and check it is divisible by 3 or not, and then check the last number. So it is 4, so it is an even number, so it is also divisible by 2. So yes, it can be divided by 6. Okay, and now let's check for the next number which comes in the next page. So now we will come for the number 8, because 7 is a prime number, so it can't be divided with any number, so we will directly come to 8. Okay, so let's check by which number means what are the numbers by which 8 can be divided and what are its properties. So in number 8, if the number formed by the last three, the units, tens and hundreds place digits is divisible by 8. So in this number, the last three digits are divisible by 8. So the first, so take 3 4 9 1 2, which is divisible by 8 exactly. Okay, it is divisible by 8. Now let's come for 9. So if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, so the divisibility test of 9 and 3 are similar. In this also we have to uh, uh, add all the numbers in the number, like 3 4 5 6, like this we have to add all the numbers. Okay, so let's take for an example. So the number is 54216 according to the example 54216. So if we add these numbers, 6 plus 1 7, 7 2 9, 10 11 12 13, 13 plus 5 18. So 18 is divisible by 9 in 2 times. So yes, the number is divisible by 9. And in 10, the last digit should be 0. So like 20. So 20 is divisible by 10. So by this we can know that the numbers are divisible or not, and this was these were the numbers, and this was the divisibility test and the properties which I told you. So hope you understood the topic. So hope you guys like this video. If you do like this, like, subscribe, share and comment on my channel. Practice maths. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and till then, tada.